A new virus is back in the spotlight. Just this week, health officials confirmed the first human case of the H5N2 bird flu strain, leading to one fatality in Mexico. The WHO's response? Stating the current risk to the general public is low, while urging for heightened surveillance. Why does this matter? These developments could signal a new phase in zoonotic disease transmission, impacting global health security and travel policies. With scientists racing to understand the virus's potential for human-to-human spread, this public health chess game is only getting more intense. Stay tuned, because what's happening in a lab could hit closer to home than you think.